Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class. Happy Sankranti. Yes, I know all the children must have enjoyed Sankranti festival. Yes, children, by flying the kite, especially the boys and even the girls nowadays, they enjoy. They go to the terrace and having a sesame laddu. That is a tilli ka laddu. You know, sesame, the tilli ka laddu is very good for the body, children. Okay, the sesame is very good source of विटामिन सॉरी कैल्शियम ये भरपूर कैल्शियम से है एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग दैट यू नो after drinking milk is also calcium source. Sesame is a calcium source, but just simply having will not give you calcium inside your body because your bone and the teeth needs both the calciums. When you will now after having this, आपका bone जो है उसको absorb करना है, but the bone will absorb your calcium only when it will get vitamin D, that is the sunlight. See, the sunlight is so important for our body. इसीलिए हमारे फोर फादर्स जो थे ना, दे वर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट एक्चुअली, इवन दो दे डिड नॉट हैड अ क्वालिफिकेशन, बट दे न्यू इट ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंस हमारे जितने भी फंक्शन जो फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, दे आर ऑल साइंटिफिकली रिलेटेड, दे आर ऑल देर इज साइंटिफिक रीजन बिहाइंड इट. एवरी फेस्टिवल इज important to us. You should please enjoy it and enjoy all the festivals, celebrate all the festivals, all Hindu festivals. They are all are scientifically related. Now this example of Sankranti I'm telling you. पुराने ज़माने में लाइक बोलते थे कि अभी कैसे लोगों को बाहर निकालना, हाउ टू टेल देम दैट यू गो एंड प्ले आउटसाइड, है ना, बिकॉज आफ्टर हैविंग अ सीसम यू नीड सनलाइट सो दैट द बॉडी विल एब्जॉर्ब द कैल्शियम, है ना. सो वॉट दिस इज, चलो काइट मौसम भी अच्छा है, देर इज़ अ ब्रीज ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू नीड एयर टू फ्लाई द काइट. सो दे सेड कम ऑन विल हैव अ काइट फ्लाई. You got it this? Ah. See, so many, 5,000 years ago, so many years ago, they have started till date we are celebrating this because there is some importance, children. And a whole day you're in the sun and having a sesame laddu. So, okay. And this 3 days sitting in the sun bath, having a sesame laddu, then no need for taking calcium the whole year round. दिस 3 days में आप जितना तिल्ली का लड्डू खाएंगे और सनलाइट लेंगे, भरपूर कैल्शियम आपके बॉडी को मिलेगा. ठीक है. ओ माय, लेट अस बिगिन विद दिस बिहू हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल, चिल्ड्रन. Okay, let us start now. The festivals and the celebration will begin with the Onam and Bihu. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. People worship, they this Onam, in this Onam festival, they celebrate, they worship and उन prayer करते हैं King Mahabali, who is said to have ruled Kerala long ago. ठीक है. Special boat races they organize and are held especially on this day. ठीक है. See, I'll zoom and I'll show you. See, this is kind of a okay. See, uh, this is a kind of a dance they perform. This is a kind of a rangoli they put. This is the eatable which they make. The special dish has been made on this day, and this is what the procession has been taken. और procession का मतलब होता है वो यात्रा निकालते हैं वो लोग. ठीक है बेटा. Now, what's the problem? Okay, I'll explain here only better. ठीक है. Now we'll come to Bihu. Now I don't know whether I can zoom. Yes, Bihu is celebrated in Assam, children, and people prepare special food on this day. ठीक है. They gather together to sing the song and they play the drums. As you can see, the people two front people sitting over there. See, they are playing the drum. Here on the right side, the special dish has been made. Okay, special food has been made, and they gather together to sing the song and they play the drum, children. Okay. Then Thus, the festivals are the time of great happiness as they bring people together. Okay, now this we have finished. Let us start with this. Now, festivals teach us to love and share. We should respect all the religion and try to celebrate each other's festival. Okay. Now, children, this is a message I am giving you, and this is an art integrated activity, children. In the worksheet, it is given in the last question that you have to paste the picture of any festival which you don't celebrate, and you have to compose a poem. आपको एक पोएम उसके ऊपर में लिख सकते हो इफ़ यू आर एबल टू, और यू राइट 5 sentences अबाउट इट, एंड प्लीज़ क्लिक द फोटो एंड सेंड इट टू मी. Okay, children. Now we'll begin with the worksheet. But this worksheet, okay, I'm able to zoom, but I need a pen. Yes, I got it. Here it is. Now, question number 1, fill in the blanks using the words given in the bracket. Dash teach us to love and share. Okay, dash teach us to love and share what? Festivals. Next, dash is celebrated in Kerala. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Next, Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Okay, Assamese people, they celebrate Bihu beta. Floral rangoli which is made on the Onam, as I showed you na, वो जो रंगोली बना रहे हैं, that is called as Pukalam. That is called as Pukalam. Okay, beta. Now we come to this. Question number 2. Identify the following festival and name them. Can you tell me the first one? Yes, it's Bihu. It's a Bihu. This is a harvest festival, Bihu. And second is Onam. Because वो boat race रखते हैं ना बेटा. They keep a boat race on this day. ठीक है? Now we come to true and false. A. People worship Raja Mahabali in Kerala. Yes, it's true. Just now we read. Onam is celebrated for 10 days. No, it's false. It is not celebrated for 10 days, beta. Next, Bihu, in Bihu, we gather together to sing the song and play the drums. Yes, true, it's already written. Festivals of the boat race is known as Christmas. No, 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 it's false. Okay. नाउ दिस इज़ एन आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड एक्टिविटी बेटा. आपको यहाँ पे पिक्चर पेस्ट करना है कोई भी ऐसा फेस्टिवल का जो आप सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते हो, विच यू डोंट सेलिब्रेट, एंड हियर डाउन बिलो you can write a poem. You can write a poem here, or you can write a 5 sentence about it. ठीक है बेटा. That's all for today बेटा. Thank you. God bless you children.